This is a Q6 Edge 2.0, which is the latest model. It's in brand new condition. I think it was used maybe a week or two. It's brand new condition. The nice thing about this chair, not only is it very, very sharp looking, it does have a 6-inch seat lift that will go up on this chair. So the first thing I want to show you is how to make the seat go up. You would do everything through the joystick. And you just hit this button here. You can see the speed going down to 3, speed going down to 2, 1. And when you have the picture of the seat like this, you'll see where it's dark on the seat. Push the joystick back, and there goes your 6-inch seat lift going up. This is a heavy-duty seat lift, and I think you can still drive this chair with the seat elevated at a lesser speed. So yes, the chair will drive with the seat elevated. So that's a feature of this chair. It has a heavy-duty seat lift. It has 14-inch solid tires, non-skid tires, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got anchor points on both sides. You got 2 of these here and 2 on the opposite side. And these are tied to the frame so they're not going to move. You've got motors for each wheel. You got one on this side, one on the opposite side. If you want to roll this chair right now, it's in gear. Push the lever down, and you can push this chair around manually. You have to do both motors. Put it back into gear, and you're back in gear. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the seat back down, and we're going to cover. So push the joystick forward when you want the seat to go back down, then put it back into mode 1, 2, 3, or 4. That's your speeds, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So I'm going to put it on number 2. I'm going to turn the chair around. You can see the front of the chair, very, very sharp looking chair. You can see the suspension right here, heavy duty suspension. They can be adjusted in the bottom by turning these rings over here. You can adjust the suspension. The batteries in this chair are on all Q6 edges, always come out from the front. So this one here, there's no thing in the front to hinder you from taking the batteries out. Squeeze the 2 levers right here in the bottom, pull the whole thing out, and you have 2 batteries in here. They'll come out back to back, and they're 55 amp batteries, group 22. This will give you about 13 miles on a battery charge, depending the weight of the user and where you're driving the chair. If you're in the grass or you're in more like that, you might get less distance. Your foot plate is adjustable. You can flip it up for easy exit. As you can see, it's brand new. The seat on this chair is a Jazzy seat, which is one of the best seats they ever made. It's 18 inches wide by 16 deep. 18 by 16. It does have a safety belt. The arms go up. The joystick's on the right. We can put it on the left with no problem. These arms also can go out if you need more width. And this is an adjustable seat. What that means is there's a lever right here. If you pull the lever, you can adjust the seat all the way back to here. So it's an adjustable seat. You've also got in the back of the chair an oxygen holder. So if you need oxygen, you need an oxygen tank, it's already on here. If not, we can take it off. You have, again, suspension in the back for the rear suspension. These are your knobs to adjust your arms back in and out. If by any chance this is the chair you want, but the seat is too small or too big, give us a call. We can change these seats around to help you get the right fitting for you. This is a mid-wheel drive chair, so that means the motors are in the middle, the drive wheels are in the middle. It'll turn pretty much on its own length. So if I take this chair and I bring it over here, I can turn all day long like this. This is called the 0 turn radius right there. So whatever the length of the chair with the foot plate down, that's what it's going to turn into all day long. Very maneuverable. This is a Q6 Edge, which is one of the best base. This is the base right here with the motors and the wheel and the suspension. That's the base they use on all their high-end power chair. This chair only has the 6-inch seat lift with the adjustable back seat. When you charge this chair, take your quantum charger, plug it right in the bottom of your joystick. When the light goes from orange to green, you're fully charged. The charger will stop automatically charging as soon as the batteries are full, so you don't have to worry about overcharging. So if you're looking for a power chair that's in new condition, just about, with a 6-inch seat lift, with the great suspension, with heavy-duty motors, anchor points, adjustable back seat, safety belt, This will be a really nice one to look at. And this one is sharp color, and it's just a very sharp looking chair with the black seat and the red bottom. And it's ready to go. This is a very, very quick power chair, 6.5 miles an hour. It really was going fast when I went down. Very easy to drive, new condition, 6-inch seat lift, ready to go. Thank you. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.